So hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the parts of heart. What are the parts of heart? First of all, learn that. Then we will discuss about the how the heart beat. What is a process is that led to the beat of the heart. So let's discuss. In the heart, there are first human heart has four chambers. Human heart is made up of four chambers, right? So, upper two chambers that is called as atria. That is called as atria. And upper two atria chambers, they are small compared to ventricle. They are small. This is right atrium and this is left atrium on the basis of direction. Okay. Now these are upper two atria chambers, lower two ventricle chambers. Ventricle. This ventricle, and they are comparatively larger in size in compared to atria. They are larger in size. There are many veins or arteries in which they are surrounded. For example, this vein is vena cava. Vena cava. These are veins that will carry out deoxygenated blood. We will discuss later. Now this is pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery. And this is further pulmonary vein, and there are many valves. Valves are present to prevent the backflow or to direct the blood flow in unidirectional from atria to ventricle and ventricle to body parts. This unidirectional flow are due to the ventricle valves are present. There are three types of valves. Tricuspid valves, that is present between right atria and right ventricle. This valve is a tricuspid valve. And why this valve is called as tricuspid valve? Because they are made up of three leaflet like formation. That's why they are tricuspid. Three leaves joined together to form tricuspid valve. And next is a bicuspid valve that is present between left atria and left ventricle. Okay, why it is called as bicuspid? Say they are made up of two leaf like joined together to form bicuspid. And bicuspid valve is also called as mitral valve. It is also called as mitral valve. Okay. There are left ventricle is joined to the aorta. Okay. And pulmonary artery is joined to the right ventricle. Okay. Now there is a special tissue. Cardiac muscles is made up of special tissue called as nodal tissue. Nodal tissue. Special tissue. And that special tissue is a help in the auto-excitable feature of the heart. Means heart does not need any external signal to beat because they have special tissue, nodoscular tissue that can generate this initiate signal through SA node. SA node is a give signal, initiate signal. That's why due to SA node has ability to initiate the signal, that's why it is called as pacemaker of the heart. SA node को क्या कहते हैं? Pacemaker. Pacemaker SA node को क्यों कह रहे हैं? क्योंकि ऐसे नोड एक तो स्पेशल टिश्यू का बना है, ठीक है, नोडस्कुलर टिश्यू, और ये क्या करता है, हार्ट बीट को सिग्नल देता है इनिशिएशन का। यहाँ ऐसे नोड सिग्नल देता है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज पीस मेकर ऑफ द हार्ट, and it is located on the upper part of the right atrium, and below, in the below there is present the AV node. SA node is sinoatrial node and AV is atrioventricle node. Okay, AV node we further divide into AV bundle, and this AV bundle will give further right and left bundle joined together common by bundle of his. That common point is called as bundle of his. That further divide into right and left bundle, and these bundle have a small fiber like projections. That projection is called as Purkinje fiber. These small projections are called as Purkinje fibers. Okay, now you can make an image of our human heart, and after that I will explain how this signal led to the atrial contraction or ventricle contraction, how signal pass through bundle of his Purkinje fibers to the ventricle, then how our lungs will purify the blood. I will explain all this. First of all, we are learning the parts of the heart. They are made up of 4 chambers, 1 to 4 chambers. First 2 chambers are atria, lower 2 chambers are ventricles. They are small, and ventricles are large. In between a right atria and right ventricle, there is a tricuspid valve, and in between left atria and left ventricle, there is a bicuspid valve. Okay. Okay, now I will explain